Hi, and welcome to another Job Pro tutorial. Today we will be covering how to use our new support portal. The new portal allows you to submit and track all your support tickets in one convenient location. This will eliminate the need to search through your emails to find past support tickets and their responses. Let's jump into today's tutorial. We'll start by accessing our portal. The portal can be accessed at any time while you're logged into your Job Pro account by clicking the envelope icon at the top right-hand side of the screen. This will open a new window where you will be able to submit a new ticket or check the status of any previously submitted tickets. Once in the portal, there are 3 different types of tickets you can submit: technical support, enhancement requests, or reporting a bug. The most used of these will be the technical support ticket. We can begin the process by clicking on the type of ticket you'd like to submit. The summary field is where you can enter the subject of your ticket. As you type your summary, the system will use keywords to suggest articles that may help answer your questions without having to submit a ticket at all. For example, if you type in "how to add an alternate," you will see related articles populate below. Clicking one of these articles will open a new window where you can review the content. Although these articles can be helpful, we know that they will not always cover exactly what you're looking for. So, to continue submitting your ticket, enter the details of your issue within the description field, add any necessary attachments, and click Send. Please remember, the more details provided at this stage will help our support team address your issue in the most efficient way possible. Once you've submitted your ticket, you will be taken directly to your requests page. Here you can see the details of the ticket you just created, including its status, request type, and an option to share with others in your organization. Now that we have covered how to create a support ticket, it is important to cover the best way to review and respond. When a ticket is submitted and/or updated within the support portal, you will receive an email letting you know of any changes that have been made. Please do not respond directly to these emails. Responding to any of these emails will create a new unrelated ticket within your portal that will no longer be connected to the original issue and will cause confusion for you and the support staff. These emails do include a link that will take you directly to the support ticket in your portal where you can respond. Or you always have the option to access your portal directly through the Job Pro icon. To respond through the portal, click the envelope icon just as you would to create a new ticket. From here, you can click the Requests option at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can choose to see the tickets created by you or shared with you from another member of your organization. We are going to click the Created by Me option to see the list of all our open requests. This page is defaulted to list all of your open requests. However, you have the option of viewing any of your previously resolved tickets by adding the Closed option on the status dropdown. This will list all open and closed tickets from your portal history. Once you've found the ticket you need to review, simply click the reference number or the summary to be redirected to the ticket page. Here you will be able to see all activity, including responses from the support team. Simply click Add a Comment, enter your response, and click Save to respond to this ticket. The system will then alert the support staff to your response and change the status to Waiting for Support. It's that simple. We would like to mention that although you do still have the option to email support directly, Job Pro highly recommends using the portal for all your support needs. As we have demonstrated today, the portal allows you to track all your submitted tickets in one place without having to filter through your email account to find a ticket and any related responses. That is going to conclude our tutorial on the new Job Pro support portal. If you have any questions about the new portal, please reach out to your support team today. You can call us at 704-584-4019, submit a ticket through our new support portal, or email us at support@jobprotect.com. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.